That's right. I don't think there's much there anymore. I think it's all on the piece of paper, Zeke. Why don't you come roll it more up here? Roll it up here, Zeke, on your painting. That's right. There's lots of paint right here on your painting, though. There you go. There you go. Yeah. That's it. Yucky. What can you do with this? Here's another one. Oh, that kind of sticks. Cool. I like the marks your nail makes. Okay. Gonna get some more. Well, the hose is for cleaning. Do you want to get the paintbrush? Yeah, why don't you get the paintbrush? You gonna come paint some more, or you want to just clean up?